slipping, Spiderman! You're slipping, Spiderman!
Anyone seen some robbers who are looking to lose a fight?
You're beyond dead, Spiderman!
Sure! Keep them coming! I ain't tired! They really thought they had me. Okay, y'all are done.
Spider-Man! Power cannot be stopped! Come here, Spider-Man! I'll make you work!
That tanker needs to be sealed up. What's up?
Spider-Man!
I'm stopping you today.
You're prolonging the inevitable!
That tanker needs to be sealed up. That's bones is built from an armored truck.
What you gonna do with your share?
Property in Nebraska. We need something pretty cheap then. Fire the target, baby! Gonna rent it. That's saying that the market is sorting itself out.
Yeah, I should get it.
It's nuts that they let you get away with it.
Hey, I got an order for some webs here.
There he is.
Who wants
Get
them?
him.
You gonna stop me with that many? Come on. Hell? They're trying to brand someone?
Can't hide now!
Sorry, nobody's getting branded today.
Never mind, Spider-Man. Watch out. This is your brain test.
This is all part of the prophecy. I'll make you wish for the flame, Spider-Man! What was the deal with those guys?
It was my plan. You're lucky I invited you along.
Didn't Did your mom ever teach you not to steal? Y'all better think